Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle cookies. I'm just going to jump right into it. These are the cookies I baked in my previous video. And what I did is took my edible pen in yellow. You can do it in black too for the outline. And I just started outlining it. So I outline it like so here, trying to imitate my picture that I drew, as you guys saw on my channel. Now, what you see here on my cooking is because I stacked them on top and forgot to put parchment paper in between it. So if you're going to put it in your storage container, make sure you put parchment paper in between it, because if not, the back of the cookie will stick to the top of your cookie and it will come out rigid like that. But it's still okay though. So now that we outlined this cookie, I'm going to continue outlining the rest of them. I'm freehanding this. I don't have a projector or anything. I just have the image here that I'm looking at the same time as I'm outlining. All right. So let me go ahead and get another one. So I'm outlining the tail first. I'm using a number 2 tip with a thick, medium thick consistency. All right. Now I'm going to follow that yellow line for the bottom of his face. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the top. And then this ends right here. Then we're going to bring this in. Right there. I'm going to put this down. Blend our corners and those points. Now I'm going to go in and do the eye. And then the mouth. Alright, and then we're going to put the little black line here. And one very near. Blend that into the line. Alright, and that's it. That's how you outline. Now we're going to go in and flood the mask. I'm going to let this black finish crusting up on this one, and let's go to the other ones that's already crusted up over there.